You're going to measure the water, that is about half a cup. Put some salt. After, you're going to sieve the flour. Remember, we are getting the dough for the peppers for samosas. Knead very well to get a fine texture, and you're going to boil them and roll. After rolling them, you're going to put them one by one. Put some cooking oil on top, add another one, put some cooking oil, add another one. Then you're going to roll and take to the pan. The pan should be slightly warm, not hot. And you're going to separate your peppers. Remove one by one. After, you're going to make the paste, that is water and baking flour. As usual, cut your peppers into 4. Then you're going to fill in your either vegetables or meat. So here, guys, we come up with our vegetable samosa. Thank you. Remember to subscribe.